First up, let's delve into the world of robo-advisors. Imagine a digital platform providing automated, algorithm-driven financial planning services with minimal human intervention. That's a robo-advisor for you. They've become popular for their efficiency, accessibility, and typically lower fees. Picture your own financial assistant available round the clock, without the added pressure of human judgment or oversight. Robo-advisors are a modern solution, offering a streamlined approach to managing your finances, and they're changing the game in 2024. But every coin has two sides, so what are the pros and cons of robo-advisors? Let's dive in. On the one hand, robo-advisors are like the diligent elves of the financial world, tirelessly working round the clock. They're available 24/7, efficiently handling automated tasks like portfolio rebalancing and tax loss harvesting. Plus, they often come with a smaller price tag compared to their human counterparts, making them a budget-friendly choice for many. But then, on the flip side, robo-advisors aren't exactly the most personable bunch. They lack the human touch that can sometimes be crucial in financial planning. Additionally, their algorithmic brains can stumble when it comes to complex financial strategies, where a human's nuanced understanding can shine. As you see, robo-advisors offer a mix of pros and cons, a perfect fit for some, but not for all. They're like a one-size-fits-most solution in an industry that often requires a tailor-made approach. Now let's shift our attention to the traditional players in the field, human advisors. These are professionals who offer personalized advice tailored to your unique financial situation. They are the guides who navigate you through life's major financial milestones, be it buying your first home, planning for your child's education, or preparing for a comfortable retirement. Human advisors bring a personal touch to the financial planning process, offering bespoke solutions for your unique needs. Just like robo-advisors, human advisors have their own set of advantages and disadvantages. First, let's talk about their strengths. Human advisors shine when it comes to comprehensive financial planning. They're experts in their field, and they can cater to complex financial needs. They can help you navigate through life events like buying a home, planning for retirement, or managing an inheritance. They provide a personalized and human touch that algorithms simply can't replicate. However, this level of service and expertise can come with a price tag. Human advisors often charge higher fees than robo-advisors. Their availability can also be limited. You may need to book an appointment days or even weeks in advance, and they might not be available outside of normal business hours. So there you have it. Human advisors, with their personalized approach and expertise, come with both benefits and challenges. So, the million-dollar question: who's right for you in 2024? If convenience, low fees, and a digital platform are your jam, consider a robo-advisor. But if your financial situation is complex, or you crave the personal touch, a human advisor might be more your style. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Your best choice ultimately depends on your individual needs and circumstances. In the end, the most important thing is that you're taking steps towards achieving your financial goals. The choice between a robo-advisor and a human advisor depends on your unique needs and circumstances. Both options offer valuable tools for financial planning, each with their distinct advantages. It's a matter of personal preference and financial complexity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights and guidance. Until next time, keep investing in your future.